Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to get Shein refer a friend's reward. So let's get straight into the video. So I've seen a lot of videos trying to explain from the application, but the best way to go ahead and do so is going to be with a browser. So open any browser that you prefer using, and what you want to do is simply go ahead and search for Shein referral program, like I'm about to do right over here. Simply go ahead and search for Shein Referral Program, just like I'm about to do right over here. Now you want to click on Shein Affiliate or m.shein.com/affiliate. And now you want to log in with your account. Now this is exactly where you can earn $14 reward, welcome gift plus first referral gift, and up to 20% commission per order by a new QR. So you can simply go ahead and sign up right over here, and you'll get a code that you can share around. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.